Hey, what's up my YouTube friends? This flashlight was sent to me for testing and review. It's got 4 brightness levels, and you can see the run times for each of those modes as well. Here is a closer look at the light. It is operated by a side switch. It's got lanyard slots there. It can also tail stand. It has 4 emitters, and it is extremely compact. It comes with a lanyard, a recharging cable, and a spare O-ring. It also comes with this belt holster, which has a loop right there, and Velcro. This also comes with a battery to access it. Unscrew the tail cap. It is a 26-350 battery. See the capacity there. In order to recharge the battery, hook it up to any power source with the provided cable. This is a power bank. When it is recharging, there is a red light. When it is fully charged, it will be a green light. To turn the light on, press the side switch. To turn it off, long press the side switch. It has a memory function, so it will come on in whatever brightness level you turned it off in. In order to change the brightness level, you press the side switch. This is the lowest, and this is the highest. Now, if you continue pressing, it will go back down. This also has strobe and SOS. To shortcut to strobe, you double tap. Another double tap will do SOS. Okay, warning, we're going to do that. That's a strobe, and that's SOS. Now, if you press this 3 times, it will flash the voltage, and it'll flash there. All right, let me turn off some of these lights so you can see it flash. All right, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it flashed 4 times green and 1 time red. So the voltage right now is 4.1 volts. If you want to lock the side switch, you press this until the light flickers, okay? So it's going to flash after a while. There you go. So now this is locked out, right? Now in order to unlock it, press it 3 times, and that will put it into voltage check mode. All right, and so now it is unlocked. All right, now it's unlocked. If you press this 4 times, it will get to beacon mode. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, hold on, let me turn these off so you can see it flashing better. So in beacon mode, every once in a while, that will flash. See that? That's so you can find it in the dark. Okay, YouTube, we're out here on the testing board with this P25. Let's go through the brightness levels. Wow. All right, so that's as bright as it goes. Let's do the strobe. There you go. Wow, this is an impressive light. Definitely. Hey, what's up YouTube? We're on the road of no lights with this P25. Let's crank it up, see what we can see. Okay, wow, lights up the whole road. So we've got vegetation. You know, this is the road of no street lights. That's why I call it the road of no lights. Great place to test flashlights. So if you broke down on a country road, this is what you would see. It's doing an excellent job. And here's a top view of the beam shot there. Nice. Wow. Yeah, look how it lights up the whole road. Okay, here is Frog Creek. Now Frog Creek is flowing very strongly because we just had a snowstorm and then it all melted. The opposite bank, treetops. Nice, the moon is up there. You can see the water. This is a very bright light, definitely. Okay, YouTube, we are at the sports field with this P25. Let's crank it up a little. Standing in one goal, we're going to try to cross the field. Where is that goal? There it is. Oop, wow, focus, come on, man. There we go. All right, sorry, there's some stuff in the air. But clearly, you can clearly see it crossing the field. Yeah, we got a lot of moisture in the air. But there you go. Yeah, there it is. Yep. So here is a size comparison between the P25 and a light I have previously reviewed. Now, these both take advantage of that 26350 battery. And in the future, I think you're going to see more and more brands and companies using that size of battery just because of the advantages it gives, allowing them to make very compact lights that are extremely powerful. I definitely highly recommend this light if you need something that's extremely compact and yet very bright. The only drawback, or possible drawback, is if you don't want to get into that type of battery. I understand that if you're a prepper, you might want to just consolidate into a few major types of batteries for all your stuff. But me, as a light enthusiast, this is pretty exciting how compact and the performance that it brings. This brand, they wanted me to review some of their lights that just came out. And I said, sure, no problem, but you have to let me review this. I was looking and this really interested me. It really just excited me as a light collector. A true pocket rocket, in the light enthusiast world. So yeah, impressed by it. I'll include all the relevant links below, lots of useful gear for you. I hope you enjoyed this review. This has been We All Juggle Knives and Lights. I'm out.